Welcome to Brennan Enterprises, your source for everything replacement windows and doors. In this video, we'll review a product from our most popular product line, the Brennan Traditions series. We'll be talking about style, hardware, material, and color. So let's start with style. This is a single hung window with a fixed upper sash and an operable lower sash. The window operates thusly. So next we'll talk about the hardware on the window. It has an auto lock, which when unlocked, obviously you raise the window. When the window is locked or closed, the locks engage automatically, locking the window. Next we'll talk about the night latches, these little things here on the side of the window. So you can open these and open the window, which allows the window to open a little bit for ventilation, but doesn't allow it to open all of the way. And then lastly, in regards to hardware, we'll talk about the tilt sash feature. So on this window, once the window has been opened a couple of inches, you can tilt the sash in and clean the exterior surface of the glass from inside your home, which is a nice convenient feature. Next, we'll talk about material. The Traditions windows are made out of a composite vinyl material. Vinyl is a great material for windows because it's durable, affordable, and maintenance free. So lastly, we'll talk about color. The windows have a few different color options. They have the option for a whiter tan interior and exterior color, so the window would be the same color on both sides of the window. They also have the option for a custom color upgrade option where you can do a two-tone window. This window, for example, does have that option. It has a white interior and a bronze custom color exterior, which is our most popular exterior color option. So there you have it, an overview of the Brennan Traditions windows. We recommend it for homeowners who are looking for energy efficiency, good value, and great quality from a local company. You can learn more about this product on our website. Quick links are in the description. Thank you for watching.